Hey, my name is Eric.
Hi, I'm Jordan.
Hey, I'm Kelvin.
My name's Kyle.
My name is Jeanice.
Welcome to the daily life of a Job Corps student.
Let's show you around.
When I usually wake up, I wake up around 6:30.
I get dressed, I take a shower.
I do my dorm duty.
After dorm duties are completed, I go straight to the caf for breakfast.
When I get ready to leave, I typically leave my dorm around 6 and I walk to the cafeteria. I like to enjoy a cup of coffee before I start my school day.
After breakfast, I go straight to trade. I'm in trade all day. We're actually doing procedure, so we're actually physically working on mannequins in order to practice what we read and apply it to actual hands-on training.
My favorite part of the day is trade when I'm doing hands-on work.
I got into welding because at the current moment they do need a lot of welders, and I'm more of a hands-on type of person.
We go to lunch.
Hang out with a couple of my friends, see where all our mindset is at. Once lunch is over, I head back to trade.
So after trade, I go straight to the dorm, and usually I hang out there. Sometimes I go to the music room.
I'm super glad that I can do CrossFit here because it helps me stay fit and meet new people and eat right because she does teach us about nutrition. It's a good place to be.
On my free time, if I'm not studying, I either like to go play ball, pool, or go paint sometimes in the art room.
The best part of my day is coming home, watching TV after a long day of trade because it's also so fulfilling to learn something new every day while I'm here.
We had a good time showing you guys around.
Hope you enjoyed seeing what we do every day. Thanks for watching.